The Palau archipelago hides a submerged rainforest where stumps and roots lie fossilized in crystal-clear seas, linking climate shifts to island life. In every snorkel, researchers glimpse ancient mangroves preserved by coral growth, suggesting sea level rise reshaped legends told by islanders for generations. Local storytellers speak of a sunken forest guardian, a figure said to guide fishermen away from dangerous reefs. Modern science confirms petrified wood under Pacific currents, bridging ecology and archaeology in an unexpected alliance. This forgotten underwater forest rewrites Palau's history and invites a new kind of exploration.